You might have noticed hydrant flushing happening around the town of Prosper. Hydrant flushing is a common practice that is necessary year-round and is required by the Texas Commission on Environmental Quality. The town has over 200 miles of water distribution lines that bring clean water into our community. Hydrant flushing allows the town to maintain safe levels of chloramine, our primary disinfectant, throughout our water system. The town tests water on a daily basis to ensure safety and quality. Hydrant flushing is performed to maintain the appropriate levels of chloramine, which ensures you have the safe and high-quality water that you have come to expect. Hydrant flushing is performed year-round throughout the town, but is often needed more in the hot summer months. To learn more, visit prospertx.gov.